Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and switch store locations on Instacart. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. First things first, simply go ahead and open any browser that you prefer using and simply search for instacart.com. Once you've done that, make sure that you are already logged in into your account. So one thing I want to clarify is that Instacart only suggests the stores that are nearby to your location. So what actually depends is your location. So all you need to do is click on account on the bottom left. Once you've already logged in, click on your account settings right over here, and once you've done that, simply go ahead and head into addresses and then add your address. When you simply go ahead and add your address, as you can see, I've added multiple. You can also simply go ahead and choose it from here if you want to. For example, you're on Cali, you can search for Cali right over here and then simply select your one, and then it will suggest you the stores that are nearby. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.